Hey guys, so I just got some new saddlebags for my 2017 Harley Fat Boy, and I want to show them off. They are from Viking Bags. They are the 20-liter Panzer quick mount bags. I always have tons of stuff with me that I want to take when I go out. When I'm out, I want to buy stuff, and I'm like, oh no, where am I going to put it? But I've been torn if I wanted bags, if I could find ones that I liked that one with the look of my bike. I didn't want to change it up too much. The price was under $300, so you can't go wrong with that. And Viking Bags are also running some promos. They have discounts pretty often, so if you're like me and you love a good deal, check them out and follow them to see what they've got going on. So let me show you more about my bags. Okay, the best part now, getting the bags on. When I bought these bags, they said that I did not need to relocate my turn signals, which is exactly what I was looking for. And the quick mount, I thought I would be able just to mount directly onto my existing docking hardware. Unfortunately, that is not the case. It comes with hardware, and I need to use Viking's hardware. So the most challenging part was getting out my existing docking hardware. Those screws were covered in Loctite, and I needed a lot of help. But once they were out, this bar is super easy to get on. It just bolts right into place where they were. And then there's 3 mounts on here that the bags will just clip right into. So there's a lever on each side here. You slide it up and the bag opens. Same thing on this side. I also want to mention that I had a quick detach sissy bar from Harley on here. It was on my existing docking hardware. And since I had to use the hardware provided for the saddlebags, I can no longer use my sissy bar. So I have to hard mount it on or find some other way to make it work. Not the worst, but something to consider. Okay, and just like that, it slips on. When it comes time to remove it, there's a string here. So if I pull this, it will open up the lock on one of the mounts here. And when I'm not using it, it comes with Velcro. So I just Velcro it around the bar down there so it's not flapping around when I'm riding. Inside the bag, there's a key here, so I also can lock it on so that way no one can just pull that lever there to take the bag off. I love that it comes with a Velcro bag inside here with some compartments that you could see I've already got filled up. Same thing on the other side. It also comes with the Velcro bag. It has a key lock. You can see I've got my camera in here, so there's more than enough space. And I love my bags.